You're on.
I'm on, yeah, I'll just zoom in and out again.
No, you can't, that's the zoom, yeah? Keep it, make sure it's in there. That's smart, is that?
Very on.
Is that a thing, what is it called?
No, it's not.
Oh, no.
Oh yeah, it's Imperial.
Yeah, I thought it was.
Top man. That's Tony, isn't it? That's Tony, that is.
Mattoni, Klopp! Does the water matter, Paul? It's pissing it down.
Ah, forget about it. You keep it talking.
Man, it's awesome shit going off here.
Tell you what, the timing's got
It's just started good. What do you think of these, Neil?
Wow! Epic's finest! Hey!
Yeah, we'll wash up and...
Stand down there.
Chilling in. He's just chilling.
Giving it a break, innit?
Yeah.
Huh?
Boys,
Mate, this camera's getting pissed wet through.
Oh, forget about it.
There we are. I got all that.
Wait, hang on, another pro rocket volley error.
Are you king?
oh!
Oh. Thriller and King. Hey, look at his red.
Oh, look how back I'm going here, man! Fuck me!
That's white label, man.
Oh, baby, look at the camera screen. Holy fuck. It's still hanging. It's still there. It's still there. And it's still there. God. Awesome. That's what we're talking about, Sky Thriller.
Look, it's still hanging.
Hi?
Yeah,
It's still hanging.
Hey, what's it like now?
Something good.
Milk it, milk it.
Come on.
Right in that way.
Oh, that king of
Bloody
thriller
hell.
combo, that killed it.
That was
Aye.
awesome. That was unbelievable.
Wow. I think it's just a couple of maybe got a bit too excited.
Bloody hell, man, that was unbelievable.
That was
That
good.
was a sky full.
Finale was
Is that
awesome.
it?
Hey,
Huh?
awesome finale on
I think
that.
Oh,
that,
was awesome.
that was. Well, I didn't expect that. That was
Sure, knock it off.
Spiders and Kings and
Yeah,
Thrillers.
Knock it off.
No, keep it rolling, mate. Director of night. Give it
They
some
were shells
commentary,
at the end,
eh?
No, they were King Rockets and Thriller Rockets as well.
At the end it was thriller.
And Screaming Spiders up to that.
Now they were all Sky Thrillers from Epic Fireworks. Yeah, Sutil Lane Batley. 15 quid a pop. Next year maybe inflation to £20.
Amber Glow.
There were Amber Glow, Thriller, Thriller, King, and there were another one. What it blue?
I'm getting some instance.
There were
definitely
another ones
Kings
where
there.
yeah, there were loads of Kings. All at that side were Kings, and then we mixed the ones up. He said he wanted all the Kings together.
Aye. Oh, wow.
That was awesome though.
That was
We just
awesome.
started lining it up as we were walking past. We linked it.
Aye, we were driving up the road.
We could see it.
Coming, and we just had floor it.
Floor it, man.
I'm not waiting around. I'm gonna go watch it. We spend all day putting it out, and bagging it up, and everything else, and I'm not missing any.
We were jogging.
Yeah, we just
Aye.
That was superb.
Superb island.
There's another one of them that's on fire. It's all starting
Ah,
to
they're
go
still
on fire
fire.
now.
Don't start
Yeah, you get
But that one we came up with a mum. It was just getting worse.
Aye.
We were kicking
We were
it.
booting it all over the shop.
We stopped playing with it and making it bigger.
Stabbing it with launching tube. Put it out.
Trying to beat it into submission.
Quality.
That was amazing, wasn't it?
So what else I like them going off at distance.
Aye.
Yeah, it looked
It's
really good.
wicked, innit, this farm?
I'm going to stand by the fire and get warm.
That was,
Cock on.
that really was.
Just don't last long enough to there.
No.
You want to fill the whole field up there and keep going.
Aye. I could have done another 20 minutes of that.
Oh, aye. Well,
It sounds like a wagon load for that shindig, doesn't it?
Aye. Oh, but that's going to be a good,
20 seconds.
it's going to be a good sprinter van full.
We're going to do a little display.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I don't know.
20 seconds.
Done.
You're having kids.
I did not know you.
yeah, he's done it.
Now you know, mate.
Oh, that's nice, isn't it?
Aye, I think we're going to do it in 10
No,
at
but
a
he's
time.
finished doing that, I think.
10 at a time.
Got to be, man. You know what's
Yeah, did you see them big explosions
I think
with
a couple of
rocket?
cases at the end for the Kings and Thrillers, man. There's got to be a couple of cases there.
What, 48?
Yeah,
King rockets.
that's it.
Quick match.
That was it.
No, it's Kings and Thriller mixed.
Alright, 25 of these.
2 cases of each, 24.
It's hard to find though.
They've gone down to get Tony, weren't they?
To find. Alright, alright.
You do that? Aye, Epic Fireworks
Epic Fireworks.
Cheapest in Britain, best range in Britain.
No problem.
Fantastic.
Yeah, we're going to
Cheers, mate.
Come on down, we'll show you.
Come on down, shoot your leg. No problem.
We will get
I
one.
want the police definitely now.
No, that's finished there.
Right.
I want to be trained as a user. I just think you're
There's a bomb down there.
It's alright so far till you get down here. It's finale bit, isn't it? And it was like water and I'm like, oh no. Trying to find little like
Do you want to knock it off now?
Yeah,
I'll go and knock it off. Just turn it off.
Aye.
Oh, this will put me up.